going to do vocabulary for entry 1, a cold winter night. The vocabulary that we're going to do is going to be using a strategy that I like to call the K.I.M strategy. Now, this is not my strategy. This is a strategy that I learned while I was teaching. The K.I.M strategy is called the K.I.M strategy because the K stands for key word. So the key word is a vocabulary word. Then you take the keyword and you look for the definition or some information that you know about the word. Then you use a memory cue. The memory cue is then used to help you remember it, and you create a sentence. Next thing you have keyword, information or definition, memory cue or picture, or the next box is going to be your sentence. So let's take a look at a few words that we have here. First word that you're going to look for is squarely. Here's how you would use the strategy. First, you can't figure out anything with the K.I.M strategy unless you figure out what the word is. So you could use dictionary.com or something and you can find the information and you can fill it out. And you would fill out the information portion. The information for this word would be directly without deviating to one side. A picture, if you look to the upper right hand corner, would be kind of like the thing that would help me remember this would be these little squares in a box. Okay, so I would say these squares in the box help me remember squarely. So they're on point, they're precision made. So that helps me remember squarely. Sentence. We must aim squarely at our goals and never lose sight of what we are doing. The most important thing dealing with the picture, the picture doesn't have to be perfect. The picture just has to remind you of the words you're using. The next keyword, meaningless. Once again, for your information, it can be whatever you figure out from the context of the word, or you can look it up in dictionary.com. Information is having no purpose or reason. The picture here, a guy has his head hanging down low, and I wrote down in there, my life is meaningless. Okay? Now, the sentence I use, a life without a true purpose can feel meaningless, which is why I am thankful for God. Next keyword, surround. The information or definition, to be all around someone or something. A picture or an example is surround sound. I notice that when I have my speaker set up and I want to hear the sound around me, I have surround sound speakers. A sentence, surround the enemies so they cannot escape. Keyword, uncomfortable. Some information that you can look up for is causing or feeling slight pain or physical discomfort. I have the little picture, the emoji of somebody with the little tear right there. Okay? As you look there, it says sentence, I feel uncomfortable when I have to go to the bathroom. Keyword, funeral. Picture. I have it in a picture there. I have a little casket there. So from that picture, what information would you think could go there? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. What do you know from funerals? A sermon delivered at a funeral. Okay. So I was sad watching my grandmother's funeral. Keyword Chris. You see a picture there of a Chris. Okay. Of the weather. Cool, fresh, and invigorating. A crisp autumn day. Like I said, right here you have a picture of some chips. They're kind of crispy. Okay. But also, it could be like a cool, crisp wind. So, what would be a good sentence there? My sentence is: it was a cool, crisp day with the wind blowing my way. Next keyword: community. Information: a particular area or place considered together with its inhabitants. A rural community. You see a picture here of a bunch of people together. So, what sentence do you think could go there? Give you a few moments to think of it. My friends who catch my bus at school live in the same community as me. Here's one. Keyword scruffy. Got some information here dealing with that word scruffy. If you were to look it up, what do you think you could your information would be? Once you're done, I put down information: shabby and untidy or dirty. Here you see a man with a long beard. Sometimes people might consider people with long beards to be scruffy. If he had a little bit of dirt on his face, he'd look really scruffy and untidy. That man has a scruffy looking beard. Okay, shabby and untidy or dirty. That man has a scruffy looking beard. So, here's a quick one. Let's see how fast you can really go. Keyword is dog. You can pause the video here if you need more time. And that one is one for you to practice. Well, that's all. I hope you guys have a nice day and enjoy your afternoon or morning, whichever time it is for you. And this is the K.I.M strategy. Hopefully, you guys learned how to use the K.I.M strategy today. Now, once again, I want you to remember the K.I.M strategy is keyword, which is where you use the keyword, which is the word, the vocabulary word. Then you use the information, which is the information or definition, and then you use a memory cue, which is your memory cue or picture, and then you create a sentence using the word.